So we got the 2014 Mercedes 250 here again. We're gonna change the air filter and do the oil change in this video. I'll start with the air filter here. So we need a 2.5 for this. We got 2 bolts up here. Let's take these off. So once you're done with the 2 screws on top, there's another one over here. Alright. It's pretty tough on there sometimes. Just look at that. Dang, this thing is molded on there. What the? Let's get this going here. Look at this thing. It's like in there. Damn. Damn. What the fuck? Come out! Jesus. Looks like it still has the original one, I think. Yeah, it does. So we got the Wix air filter here. That's the part number, or 2014. Look at this new one. Bam. Make sure you get that in there. Look how smooth that went in there. So make sure you place it pretty well here. See that? Tell you what, you are gonna wanna at least try to vacuum this out. And now that you vacuum that out or put shop air in there, try to blow it out. Vacuum it and blow it out, whichever is easier. What you want to do there is kind of angle this, sit it down correctly inside. So you gotta kind of get it like that and like this. Oh, make sure it matches on. The way you know is you can't lift it up anymore. It's that thin. Don't try to mess with these holes too much. So they get brittle and break. This whole thing. Just little tabs. There you go. Let me just finish this one up. This one. Perfect. Line this up here. Get you flat. You got your filter in place. Alright, let's go down there and change that oil. Alright, so here we are under the car. This car does have 2 shields in the bottom. Just taking this shield off. In the back, not the first piece, you should be able to do it, but for this purpose I took off both shields so you guys could see better. So this is 13 right here. That's the one you want to take off. The oil filter on this car is on the top. Alright. So you want to make sure you get your pan and everything. And these bolts are fairly long. Then just take it off to the side. Should be good. And this washer should come in a new filter. So we're going to replace this washer. there. Yep. Drain all the way through. And while that's happening, I'm gonna take off the oil filter on the top. The oil filter is right here in the back. You are gonna need a 27. There it is, 27. I don't know if you guys can see that. These are special sockets for oil filter housing for newer cars. So you get yourself one of those. This is by the driver's side, so once you turn a little bit, just leave it open a little bit, do a couple more turns, and then just kind of stop. The reason why you want to do this is some of the oil sometimes comes up and makes a mess. So you just kind of want to let it drain out right as you turn it. There, then you want to, safety purposes, not safety, but not make a mess. Okay, so we're gonna change the filter here with the O-rings. This is the part number right here. Alright, that's what we got. And oh man, there's no washer here. No worries, I'll get a new one. So this is what I'm out here. This is the old filter. Some of the rings are gonna have to get replaced here. Get your handy dandy flathead. Take off your and then you got this one here. One here. There you go. Sure, all the oil's out of here. So this doesn't matter what you put it on. Just make sure it goes in there snugly. There you go. You just place that backward. You just place this back. Okay, so once you got the new one in there, you're gonna drop it down here. Make sure the screws on. My hand first. Got that going. 27. You want to tie it up too much. Alright, so let's go down there and finish with that plug. Now that it's been dripping out and we changed the filter, you know, and the oil that's in the filter comes down and is able to empty out even more. But this, man, it could go on for hours. So this is good enough, so we're just gonna close it back up. And we already got the new washer installed on the bolt too. There you go. And now, alright. Make sure that's nice and firm. You do have that new washer in there, so should be good. So now we're gonna bring that over here, cover this back up, and pour the new oil. Okay guys, this is the plastic shields that I was talking about. There's one here, and this is the second piece. You have two pieces. I don't know if you can see them. This is where it kind of locks where the two bolts are. Okay, so this is the one where you need to access that bolt. But this first shield overlaps it. So sometimes you could take out this one, and then the rest on the side. This one on top here, on the other side too. And then back there, and then the transmission. But whatever is easier for you, you guys can take off just this one, or this one too. If it gets in your way, the first shield has like about 6 bolts. One's in the front, one's in the back. It's up to you if you want to take off both shields. So this is the oil we're going to be using, 040 European formula. Nice and easy. I'm gonna pour this gallon in there.